tewali na tusonda yono wange agumite embera zonna kachaya kabisi netumiza.
मुझे वाले बनने वाले वास्ते वो
Mulimutya.
I'm Leah.
And I'm Francis.
And we're the founders of Luganda. And we're completely overwhelmed by all the positive responses we've been getting from people from all over the world.
Now, as you know, for the last 2 years, we've been running the project completely free. So basically, we've been paying for all the costs involved, like design, website maintenance, video making programs, and so forth.
Now, unfortunately, with more and more people trying to access our website, we are faced with an increase in costs. So we have to get a new domain and stuff like that. And as we're only students, I'm only 22 and Francis is 25, so we quite frankly don't have the means to keep the project up all ourselves. So if you've been benefiting from the project,
please make a small donation to keep this project free. How much you want to donate, that is entirely upon you. How you can donate? Well, there is a donation button on our website on which you can donate via PayPal, but you can also do Western Union, mobile money, bank transfer, or make a donation in person here in Kampala.
we'd be very, very grateful, and we try to keep the project running for as long as possible.
Just click on the donation button on our website or send an email to landluganda@gmail.com and we'll give you all the details that you need.
Muevalinho.
Muevalidedala, and see you very soon.
Give a love in a triangle.